Hello everyone, welcome to CNA, the daily newspaper analysis. So today we are back with the following list of topics that we will discuss, and today is 2nd September. So this is me and my working experience. If you want to join our WhatsApp as well as Telegram group, you can join in via the links given in the description section below. This is the IGP program that will start and it will be starting the registration on 18th August. And this IGP program will directly consist of the number of things that has been discussed, and we will have the panelites that you can see on your screen. Also, we'll be coming up with on 10 September at 11:30 a.m. A session on IGP by Sri Anil Swarup sir. Okay, so do join such sessions for scoring some of the good ranks in your upcoming interview. Let's start with today's content. So today we have the National Mission for Clean Ganga, Penguin, One Nation, One Election, PM Modi gives to BRICS leaders, AI school launch in Kerala, and some prelims facts. So the first one, National Mission for Clean Ganga. So we all know that the National Mission for Clean Ganga is implemented by the National Council for Rejuvenation, Protection and Management of River Ganga, also known as the National Ganga Council. So this mission is established on around August 2011 under the Societies Registration Act of 1860. Okay, and what is the main mission of this plan? See, the mission incorporates rehabilitating and boosting the existing sewage treatment plants and instant short-term steps to curb pollution at exit points on the riverfront in order to check the inflow of sewage. Okay, so therefore this plan is very important once you are maintaining the continuity of the water flow without changing the natural season variations. Okay, so it news see, in the 7 years since the government unveiled its ambitious 20,000 crore program, it has installed plants capable of treating just 20% of the sewage eliminated to be generated in the 5 major states that lie along the river, which is expected to increase by 33% in 2024. Okay, so yet gutekhini ami janu about the Ganga River. Okay, so muk kobo lage je which two basically rivers come and joins to form the river Ganga. Okay, that is one of the very important thing. Muk kobo lage in the comment section. Also, you have to know about the Namami Gange program, which was also a flagship program by the Union government around June 2014 not start hoisile. That's what Ganga Action Plan. Okay, also we have to see about the National River Ganga Basin Authority. Then you have got a Clean Ganga Fund, Bhuvan Ganga web app. Okay, so these are very important once you are directly talking about the National Mission for Clean Ganga. So the Gute Ganga River map kon diya ase, ebilak maps bahut beshi important hoy. Tributaries aru distributaries bhalke sailoba. These are important once you are directly dealing with such number of river, which is one of the most important river of this country. Okay, so tarkan is news asile that a good related news bilak mo ditho disu sailoba. We have got a question for you. Next, emperor penguin. So what is all this? So you have seen that climate change killed thousands of emperor penguins chicks in Antarctica last year, and therefore scientists recently said that 10,000 young emperor penguins were reportedly killed in Antarctica last year when the sea ice underneath them broke off. So you can see the reference images. So this emperor penguin is the largest of the world's penguin species found only in Antarctica. Scientific name diya ase. Distribution Antarctica and subantarctic. Breeding months ki hoy April to November. Okay, tabsot habitat mostly adapted and inhabiting pack ice and surrounding marine areas, Antarctic ice and its waters. Okay, approximately iman feet tall hoy, centimeter tall hoy, and they weigh around 40 kgs. Okay, so এইবিলাক বস্তু important হয়. Okay, আৰু ইহঁতৰ বেছি ডিপেন্ডেন্স ক'ত আছে on stable sea ice. ইহঁতৰ sea ice to collapse হলে তেখেতসকল survive কৰিব নোৱাৰে. Okay, and therefore as a part of the natural life cycle, emperor penguins inhabit the sea ice in March for mating and egg laying. আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে বহুতখিনি stable sea ice লাগে, which makes a platform for their breeding activities. But আজি because of climate change impact, this has directly jeopardized the emperor's penguin breeding cycle, and also because of the diminishing ice coverage and faster ice breakups, this dire consequences have made this penguins die. Okay, আৰু আমি ক'ব পাৰো যে between the period of 2018 to 2022, more than a third identified emperor penguin colonies and their sea ice has directly got extend. Okay, so এইবিলাক কিছুমান problems আমি দেখা পোৱা গৈছে in terms of this emperor penguin. Okay, so তাৰ কাৰণে তো বহুত নিউজৰ আছিলে চাই লবা. Next, coming to one nation one election. So one nation one election কি হৈ আছে? So you can see that the current electoral system of the country holds separate polls for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies in the gap of 5 years. That is when the tenure of the lower house of the state government concludes or either them is dissolved prematurely. So one nation one election ki kori ase? It proposes a simultaneous elections that is held in all states and the Lok Sabha in gap of 5 years. Okay, so etia jehetu ei idea to bahut popular hoy ase, so you need to know about this particular idea, that is it feasible for our country or not. Okay, so etu obviously ami yate bahut kini arguments favor to dekhisu. As মই in favor of the arguments কবলে যাও, so we can say that advantage কি আছে, control over election expenses, একেলগে সব কাম হৈ যাব, cost saving হ'ব, inform voting হ'ব, যেটো national level যেটো regional level হৈ আছে, so মানুহবিলাকে জানিব কি হৈ আছে, preparation time একেতে হ'ব, মানে 5 বছৰত এবাৰে আহিব এটো টাইম. Challenges, synchronization of terms, it is our 5 বছৰ নাই হয় already, যেনেকে next year 2024 general election আহি আছে, but আমাৰ assembly election কেতিয়া আছে 2026 ত. So that a problem create koribo. Okay, tar oporot security forces or jitu engagement tat bahi goi thakibo. So yate ami dekhi jam je ei problems kita ami dekha pao. So now ami eta parliamentary government setup ot asu, so political consensus yate ana to bahut digdari hobo. Tar oporot jitu eta normal soli ahise tar pora olop deviate hoi joa loge loge manu bilakor etu bujibolo bahut tan hobo ba manu bilakor বিশ্বাস to anibolo bahut tan hobo. So tar karone ami eta problem face koribo paro. So etu karone yat kisuman challenges o ase, amendment আনিব লাগিব, constitutional amendment আনিব লাগিব. Okay, so এই problems বিলাকৰ কাৰণে কিছুমানে ইয়াত suggest কৰি আছে, কিছুমানে ইয়াক suggest কৰাও নাই. Okay, তাৰ ওপৰত আমি দেখিম ইয়াতে EVM আৰু VVIP requirements বেছি হ'ব, polling staff বেছি লাগিব, logistic আৰু material support বেছি লাগিব, enhanced security needs লাগিব, কাৰণ ইমান এখন ডাঙৰ country যদি এইবিলাক কৰা যায় then it will be very much difficult for us. So হেতুকে আজি চাই আছে কি কৰো কি নকৰো, but let's see what we have in store for the coming future. Okay, question টা দিয়া আছে চাই লবা. Next, PM Modi gives Bidri, Surahi, Nagaland, Shawl and Gone pending to BRICS leaders. So it was recently BRICS summit hoisile in South Africa, Johannesburg. Okay, and this was the 15th BRICS summit, as we have already told you. Okay, so yet leaders asile South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, First Lady of South Africa. Then we have the Brazilian President Lula da Silva. Then we have the PM Modi. So dekete ekhini bostu আমাৰ ইন্ডিয়াৰ পৰা তেখেতসকলক গিফ্ট দিছে. ওকে, সো এই বস্তুবিলাক বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয়. ওকে, বিদ্ৰি সুৰাহি, নাগালেণ্ড শল এণ্ড গোন পেণ্ডিং, ভেৰি ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. বিদ্ৰি সুৰাহি কি বস্তু, ইউ কেন সি ইন দিছ, ইটছ আ পেয়াৰ অফ সুৰাহি ফ্ৰম তেলেংগানা, আৰু এইটো কাক দিলে, চাউথ আফ্ৰিকান প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট চিৰিল ৰামাফোছা. তাৰপিছত নাগালেণ্ড শল ফাৰ্ষ্ট লেডিক দিছে. ওকে, so you can see that this Nagaland shawl are an exquisite form of textile art that has been woven for centuries by tribes in the state of Nagaland. So obviously it's a policy of the government to even give the importance to the Nagaland artifacts or even the northeastern artifacts. Gone paintings, okay, it is a Madhya Pradesh about important paintings. Okay, so it will be the Brazilian president of this, okay, which is basically made by the Gone tribes of the central India. Okay, so etu karone egita bostu bahut newsor ase jehetu, so you have to know about this particular elements, the culture, their respective habitat, their respective community, the respective tribe. Okay, ei gute khini bostu jana karone important hoy. Yata moi key facts kesman di thoi disu, eba bostu sai loba. Okay, lastly, India's first AI school launched in Kerala. Okay, so aji ami ki dekhilu je recently the India's first this artificial intelligence school that came up in Kerala. Okay, aru Kerala kor Santhigiri Vidya Bhavan in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Okay, aru a school curriculum will align with even the national school accreditation standards which are based on the new education policy of 2020. Okay, aru etwe ki koribo, it caters to the students from class 8 to 12th grade with various multifaceted support activities, and it will integrate all the AI components such as machine learning, natural language processing, data analysis, okay, and various forms of curriculum design, personalized assessments, and also some of the students support. So yate gutekhini kotha bhalke likha ase, it is not so you should know it so iman deeply janibo iman dorkar nai, but yes, you have to know actually its features, যে এই AI স্কুল খনত কি কি শিকাব আৰু এই AI স্কুল খনৰ তাহাঁতৰ মেইন যেটো ৰোল হয় হেতু কি হ'ব. So you should know it very properly. So that is one of the major concern of this particular school. Okay, so here is our target audience and education spectrum, comprehensive learning ecosystem, quality education dibo, holistic education solution uliabo yar pra. So obviously in the time of the hour when today the whole world is going ahead with the AI thing, so we need to revolutionize even the schools on terms of these AI technologies. So hetu karone etu nijor asile, so that was very much important for you. So Kerala's first AI school important hai. Question dia ase sai loba. Okay, this is the answers to the previous model case studies. Okay, etu gute khini bhalke dia ase, and this is a model case study for today. Some of the previous flags move to eradicate vector-borne disease in Bishwanath. So we know about the vector-borne disease. Yate mainly ki hokora koi ase filariasis. So it's an infectious disease that spreads through mosquito bites. Mosquito bites bahut beshi hoy ase, jar karone Zika hoy ase, triple E hoy ase. Okay, so to jani thoba, we all know about this lymphatic filariasis, okay, which is caused by an infection with parasite classified as nematodes, or it can be told to be as roundworms. Okay, so tar logot lymphatic filariasis logot kisuman there are some of the three types of filarial worms which causes this particular filariasis. Eta ase Winkeria bancrofti, eta ase Brugia malai, and eta ase Brugia timori. Okay, so egita bostu jana to karone amar bahut important hoy. Okay, so you have to remember this particular fact. Next, app developed to type Bodo text in Android devices. So your naam to ki hoy DMC. Okay, our code korise it has been developed by the faculty members of Tejpur University. Very important. Okay, it available over Google Play Store. Okay, Project 17A, the 17 and the last stealth frigate of Project 17A, Mahendragiri, to launch Koragol by Suresh Dhankar, wife of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar at Mazagon Dock Shipyards Limited in Mumbai. Okay, aro Mahendragiri buli kole ami ki bujo, it's a name mountain peak in Eastern Ghats. Okay, so Eastern Ghats are mukkedaman important mountain ranges or naam kwa, and also some of the important rivers of Eastern Ghats. Okay, so yete Project 17A very important. You have to know about this particular project, which is said to be 17A, because we can see that Project 17A, which was launched back in 2019, it is to construct a series of stealth guided missile frigates. Okay, and already amar Nilgiri, Udaygiri, ebilak sob Dunagiri, Taragiri, Vindhyagiri. Okay, so ebilak amar ami dekhisu je slowly and slowly we have to see that how this can be commissioned in the coming instant of time. Okay, so this is all. It was our academic team, and this is our CNA team. So that is all for